So we've been driving our 2015 Mustang a little bit more lately, and we just got a warning on the dash that the battery in our key fob was going low. Now I'm sure a lot of you know how to swap these out, but I'm sure plenty of you also don't know how. So today we're going to show you how to replace the batteries in your 15 through 17, as well as your 18 and up key fob. We're going to start by showing you the 2015 through 2017 because ours does have to be replaced. Now this version is going to take two of the CR2025 batteries. If you have an 18 and up, which we'll show you in a second, that's going to take a single CR2450. Now in theory you don't need any tools for this, but a small razor blade and either a penny or a dime will make the installation easier. If you flip the key over, you'll see right here, there's a little thing you can push down on. That's actually the release. That'll separate the front and back of the key. You can see when you push that down, I can sort of get my finger in there, but it's easier to put a razor blade in and just twist. That will separate the top and bottom of your key. In case you weren't aware, this is the emergency key for your Mustang in case your battery is completely dead. There is a panel on your door handle that you remove. You can put this key in and open the door. This will also lock your glove box, but we don't need it for what we're doing here. Now we're going to show you how to replace the battery. Basically at the very top right here, there's a spot you can stick a coin in. Simply flip it, and that will separate the top and bottom here. And there's your battery. Replace the battery, is going to pop the old one out. You can see there's two, one on the top, a little note here, and then one on the bottom. New battery goes in plus side up, that back where it was. Top battery goes in negative side up, lock it into place, and then reassemble. Two tiny little hooks this will go on. And finally the top plate, it's just going to hook down here as well. Squeeze. And your installation's done. Your 18 up is going to be kind of the same concept. It's a little bit easier. You got a push button top and bottom. So you squeeze, and again, there's your key. This is your glove box key and also your emergency key. But again, there's a little slot right there. Grab a coin or even the new battery. Turn. Carefully pop the back plate off. Your battery's right there. There's a small pin, pen, whatever, right in there. Pop the battery out. Now this one's fine, but then you would grab your new battery, put it in, again, plus side facing out. It'll snap into place. Reinstall the back. That's all there is to it. Now, I'm sure a lot of you already know how to do this, but I've seen enough people ask online, we figured since we had to replace ours anyway, why not show you? And again, your 15 through 17, two 2025 batteries. If you're 18 up, a single 2450. Installation should take you a couple minutes. We'll be back on the road in no time.